On the come up, better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo.
What is going on, Otter gang? Ladies and gentlemen, it is December 30th, and the monthly looks like shite. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you've had a wonderful, and I mean wonderful, weekend, because it's going to be an incredible week here in the dumpage of all Bitcoin price action. Are we feeling a little bit bearish? Are we feeling a little bit scared? Are our altcoin portfolios getting decimated? Are we going to sell the bottom and buy the top yet again? Have we learned our lesson? How are we all doing? You guys are incredible. Thank you guys so much for being here. God bless every single one of you. Let's jump into the charts. Let's jump into the chat. Let's see how puckered you all are. Put a 1 in the chat if you think we're going lower. Put a 2 in the chat if you think we'll pump from here. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Let's jump into the charts. Bitcoin coming down here, sweeping some liquidity this morning, coming up and grabbing that liquidity. I got to see, what do you guys think? Are we going to go up from here or down? Losing VWAP as we speak. We'll see if we do get a bounce out of here or not. We got liquidity below us here, sweeping the lows. We'll see if we do get that bounce. I'm currently in 2 swing longs on some altcoins. We can talk about those as well. We'll see how those play out. We'll see. It's risky business, this altcoin stuff, but the people have spoken. They want more altcoin setups. And look at all you bullish people in the chat. What's going on? Everybody, Spyro's fine. Gains for life. Roaming brave. Good morning to you guys. Walsh Jesse. Good morning. I see Crypto Billy's in the chat. What's going on, my brother? Good to see you, my bro. Now, guys, Let's go back to the main camera. I need to see some crypto billies in here. I have yet to put these on. I was thinking maybe we could put these on during the stream, but then I thought that we might want to wait, okay? We could do a hand puppet. We could do a hand puppet. Okay, we could do an Otter Gang hand puppet. All right. Let's do it. Crypto Billy, thank you so much for your Christmas present. There's nothing better than a good old pair of otters swim together. We flock together. We are family. We are rolling over right now. All right, you got to put it nose. All right, Alex O Crypto here. I don't know why I went British all of a sudden. Hello. We are the Otter Gang. Bah. I feel like Ace Ventura. You know that scene in Ace Ventura when he's got the hand puppet and then he eats the guy's balls and then he spits it out. Pew, pew, pew. If you're that old, that is one of the best scenes. Ace Ventura, Pet Detective. Thank you, Crypto Billy, with the otter socks, man. You're utterly fantastic, man. We are going to... I could have worn those for my wedding, man. I could have worn those for my wedding. Instead, I wore moose socks. Let's go. Crypto Billy, my man. Thank you so much, Billy, for the amazing gift. I'm going to have to buy you dinner when I see you. Good morning, Goldie Crypto. Good morning. Good to see you. Paul Caruso, Tim Young, Wild Deuces. Wonderbar, Zena, hello, what's going on? Good to see you as well. It feels like I'm coming back from a vacation, but I'm not. I got the massive mug, okay? Massive mug. We need coffee on a Monday. We're losing VWAP right now, coming back, retesting VWAP. A little bit of a liquidity grab this morning, as you can see in here. Coming up, sweeping the high in here. Rolling over, back into this ugly kind of... I would expect the sweep and then the bounce. We'll see if we get it. Okay. We'll see if we get it. Coming down, baby. Coming down here. Let's get rid of this. We know liquidity resides in these lows. Every one of these lows is a target for this rollover here. 1, 2, 3. All right. So for me, I'll look at the bottom of the range for a potential bounce. If not, we'll see. Maybe a retest back into VWAP to get short. Couple options here, but we wait. Okay, trading is waiting, as we know here. Always trying to encourage patience in here. So thank you, everybody, for being here. Crypto Maker, what's going on? Golden Wolf, good to see you as well. Forget about it. Let's get after it relentlessly. Gang, 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 gang. Okay, do we get a bounce from here? Vignus, good morning. Payne, Sibel, good morning to you. Massey, good morning. Good to see you, brother. Crypto Billy says we're going up. Okay, then just press buy. Just press buy. Good to see you, Wild Deuces. Gains for life. Good to see you as well. Fine. Zena says we're going up. Up and away. Roaming Brave says we're going to continue down, down, down. Who's in the Head and Shoulders Club? Okay. Put a 1 in the chat if you think we have a Head and Shoulders and we're going down. Because I see that Head and Shoulders. I think a lot of people are scared of that Head and Shoulders. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, it's kind of like a dance move right now, MexC. Good morning to everybody in here. Good to see you guys. Mad love and respect to all of you guys. Okay, good to see you. Darren does things. What's going on, man? Al Jr. Otter Gang, says Al Jr. Looks like we're getting a little 786 bounce here off of this range. XO down a lot. Whew, some pain. Some puckering pain. We'll see if we get it. Wild Deuces, Walsh, Jesse, good morning to you, my man. All set, good morning. Gains for life. Let's go. Let's go, man. You guys are incredible. Piper Academy's in the house. What's going on, Piper Academy? Good to see all the alumni in here as well. Good morning to every single one of you guys. I feel like we're coming back from holiday. I'm still on holiday until the 1st, okay? So right now I have family visiting from England. We took our son to the museum yesterday, which was amazing. a nice little family adventure, and got to see the dinosaur bones and all that good stuff. That was cool. Dad experiences, man. This is what's life all about, is those dad experiences. Okay? Good morning, Buck. Payne, good to see you. Is there going to be more pain? Crypto Maker. Crypto people are weird, says Mark Dutch. What's going on, Dutchy, man? Good to see you, brother. Merry Christmas to anyone else in there. Would you like a cup of tea? Yeah. You know why British don't pronounce the T's? Because they drank it all. That's the joke. That is the joke. Wild Deuces, Crypto Billy. Love you, man. I love you, bro. Dr. Srikish Menon. Any luck for Ben the dog? I don't know, man. Ben the dog? Now, I am coming down with a little bit of a cold. I got a bit of a stuffy nose. If you haven't noticed, I'm a bit more nasally. But, we show up. That's just how we roll here. So there's going to probably be some breaks of me blowing my nose, and I'm apologizing already for that. As a Canadian, we're always saying sorry, so get used to it. Sorry for that. What's going on, Golden Wolf? Jesse, good morning to you. Good morning, Otter Gang. Sock hand puppets is definitely first signs of crypto madness. Absolutely. I think there's a story to be told. If we're doing hand puppets, it's because possibly we're very theatrical. No, we're not. We're not one of those people who are like trying to like, whoa, oh my God, we're going to zero. Kind of gave that up, very early in my YouTubing career. I'm here to make some money with you guys. That's about it. We'll see if we can. Today, this is gloomy. We'll see how it goes. The gang's in here, though, so we're always going to have fun. Head and shoulders. Everybody's seeing the head and shoulders. I see you guys, man. R.S. Miller in the chat. What's going on, Michael? Good morning to you. Crypto Pondering. Good morning to you. Good to see you, goes. I just witnessed a grown-up. You got to practice. Dutchy, I got to practice for the little guy, all right? They were doing a hand puppet show yesterday at the museum for the kids. I don't know, man. I'm still on holiday, too, living my best life. Jeet Corp, yo, what's going on, man? Good to see you as well. BC Port Corp, Massey Gains for Life, LJ, Tony Soprano. What's going on, my brother? Good to see you guys as well. Let's get after it. Unbitcoinable. Good morning. New moon. New moon means dumpy. Just a sub. Good morning. So let me know how's it going in the chat. I'm going to blow my nose, and then we're going to get into the top-down analysis because, that's how we roll here. It's just leaking. I don't know. I just got a runny nose yesterday all of a sudden, and it hasn't let up. So, but who cares? We're here. We're rolling over. So I am looking at swing longs on Sui, on Ondo. You know what? We'll see. I saw bottoming structure within these, but that's for the Discord. We could talk about that later on. We have Bitcoin here. Let's go top down. So there's some hopium. We got money flow coming in on the 4-hour. Okay, that's the hopium that we are looking for a potential bounce and to come up and mitigate some highs. Now, when we look at some things. Okay, we always need to look at some things. Okay, it's very, very important. Okay, so we look at some things in here. We go through this and we make sure that we understand that this is an ugly December. Okay, ho, 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 the savings event. Get your cheap Bitcoin. Okay, we got a beautiful topping tail candle up here on the monthly. The monthly green dot after November, which was incredible. Now we look very ugly, okay? Very ugly. And doesn't look like it's getting any better. Not even right now as we roll over here on Bitcoin. Coming down to the lows of the range. Oof, big rollover. No trade. We wait. If there's a bounce, we take it. If not, we wait. Okay, I'm watching it on another screen so we can jump over there if we have to, okay? Going into our weekly. Here comes the head and shoulders, guys. Okay, so there is a head and shoulders in this as well. You can see the weeklies rolling over. And you know what? I'm looking at this very similarly to this area in here, okay? this is January of the previous year, okay? So what we had was from where we had until January January 20th, we didn't start going back up, okay? So we cooled off here. Okay? And we did the same over here. Look at this. We cooled off here. Okay? We cooled off in these regions. Okay? So can we cool off in these regions? Absolutely. Cooling off, right? Only to reset to blast off into euphoria again. Okay? So will we get that? We'll see. However, we're very cautious at this point, right? With the weekly rolling over here, looking ugly, lots of downsides, still money coming out, VWAP not resetting fully. Okay, coming down, sweeping the lows as we speak right now. So let me see here. Yeah, so our area down below here is definitely going to be sweeping, 93,000. We'll see if we get it or if we get a bounce within here. Okay, we'll see how it goes right now. This is looking ugly for Bitcoin. Okay. Now there's some hopium. The hopium, let me give you guys some hope, right? Because we do have sort of a resetting coming in on like our 4-day or 3-day or 2-day, where there's VWAP potential to come back up, and we do have the momentum wave resetting to the zero line. Okay, so it's getting closer and closer and closer, and the closer it gets, the more potential there is for a bounce, in my opinion. Okay. Now, if you take, measure move of the head and shoulders, and you draw this thing out, you come down to the low here, and then you put the little sticky thing here, you could be looking at $80,000. Okay, that's the holy we're going to zero, shake everybody out kind of deal. Okay, that's that thing. But we go into the 2-day. The 2-day looks the most promising in my opinion. When we look at this, I see the trigger wave, I see VWAP trying to come back in, and I see money flow still thick as hell. Okay, so this is like the hopium. If we are going to get a pop, that would be it. Otherwise, this is very, very steep and very aggressive coming out here. Anchor trigger wave bearishness. Okay. Also, holding the 50% line on stochastics here is going to be incredibly important as well. And this could happen within this week. Okay. We're looking at Wednesday, Friday for this to start to work its way back up. Doesn't mean it's going to be easy, okay? Going into our daily, you're getting a little bit like ugly here, where VWAP's coming in, you got very ugly waves here and money coming out, okay? So this is, not the prettiest. Here's your head and shoulders. You know what? This is some damn ugly head and shoulders that everyone's talking about now. So you got your like left, right, top. Yeah. Like, I mean, even the drawing tool doesn't like it, right? So let's be aware that your drawing tool doesn't like it. And for me, it's like, if this, then that, right? Like we'll try to get, this high is going to be obviously significant up here around 100,000, okay? Funny that it is at 100,000. And there is liquidity in the lows in here. So if we do see a sweep and then a bounce, that would be great. However, we need to understand that we are in a downtrend. I've been talking about this as well, is that we have mitigated this low in here, taking it out multiple times, and now we are looking for ABC and then out, okay? ABC and out is what I'm typically looking for. I'm not fully bearish, okay? I'm looking for this. I just can't tell you where C comes in, okay? I know my alphabet, but at the end of the day, we just try to position ourselves with key levels, key areas where we look to take advantage of price action, okay? Going into our 12, we can see as well here, there is a slight divergence, okay? When you're making higher highs here and a lower low in here, there is a slight divergence, but they're stepping down, down, down. We look at the NASDAQ, down we go, right? So patience in this, short-term time frame. That's all I want to tell you guys is that, hey, if we are going to sweep, let it sweep, wait for the trend to change, and then we get long, okay? Because not a lot of things are looking too pretty right now. Going to the 8, the same deal. Okay, money trying to come back in, VWAP trying to come back in. Anytime VWAP comes back in, though, we're getting trigger waves, right? Because we are in a downtrend now, so when we're in a downtrend, this would be your higher your lower high coming in here. So trigger wave to the downside clearly dumps the market. Okay, so anytime we push up and we get this kind of rolling back in, it has been matched with a rejection. Okay, so be cautious with the longs right now. We want to take our longs and then pretty much take profit and put our stops to entries. Okay, but for me, I'm looking for that volume surge. I'm looking for, creepy, boom, sweep back up like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay, that's what I'm looking for, and I can wait all day. I got patience, as you guys know, that I can wait for this and this to wreck a bunch of liquidity. Obviously, there's manipulation in the market. That's fine, right? But I just want to participate, right? I want to participate, managing my risk, allowing myself to make good money. That's it, right? As a trader, I have to separate my hodl bags from my trading bags. It's got to be separated. You got to keep it separated, all right? That's so important. Okay, so here's your mini head and shoulders, if you want to say, okay? Playing out 4-hour money flow divergence. Okay, so we got price coming down and money coming up, okay, with a double lovely lady lump down here, okay? Big boy green dots trying to push up. Money coming in. I like money coming in. This is the thing. This is what I'm seeing for why I'm looking for a potential retracement. Retracement, not blast off, okay? I'm looking for a retracement. Even if we sweep the lows in here and we get a bounce, okay? I'm looking for a potential retracement because money is a slower indicator, okay? So you'll get look, you've gotten 2 momentum waves as money's creeping up in here. So for me, looking for a little bit of relief. Lots of liquidity in these highs up in here, okay? So there's liquidity all up in here, right? There's obviously liquidity up in here, right? But for me, it's understanding that, hey, A, B, C, right? But do we get, this is pretty much straight down, right? So can we get that little sweep and then go? Possibly, okay? Just looking to participate. These are big moves, okay? Let's not be blind to the fact that, hey, man, even a retracement back up to this high is 4%. It's a lot. That's a lot, okay? And sweeping back down into, the 85,000 region isn't that much, right? Bitcoin dumped 6% on an afternoon, on your lunch break. You know what I mean? So we're prepared, right, for anything that it brings to us. I would look for a sweep of these lows. We'll see if we get it. Okay? I have put in some bottoming structure areas in here. Looking for price to come down, sweep the lows here. I got to actually lower this one a little bit. Let's make it accurate to the low of that range there. So if we do sweep in here, my key level that I am looking for is right around 90,700. There is a very nice volume level within this area that I'm potentially looking, if we do roll over, okay? If we do roll over, I'm looking for that bounce within there. That would be ideal, okay? But more ideal would be, hey, fake out and then go. We'll see if we get it today and make sure that we're prepared for that. Going into the 4, the 3, the 2, there is some lower anchor waves within here. So I am, optimistic that we can push up, but look at the red dot appearing already. Okay, so we've come up, we've swept this liquidity, equal highs in here, rolled over. I was looking to short this morning. I obviously did not take the trade. See how the liquidity zone up in here. And roll over we did, okay? So can we get bull divs in here? That's what we're looking for. So sweep of the low and bounce, okay? Bull divs and continuation out. We want to wait for the higher low in order to get long in this situation. That's going to be key, in my opinion. Now going over to our 1 hour, a little trigger wave, pushing over here. If we're looking at this, sweep of that liquidity, rejection, blasting through the view up, coming down. We'll see if we mitigate this low first. Oops. Shift button wasn't working. And then we have lows way down in here. So the bottom of this in here, I'm just going to bring this one a little bit lower, okay, so that we're prepared. Okay, if this, then that. If this, then that. Just looking at, this is a nice, 1.5%, 2% move back up to like the golden pocket of the range here. So we could get into that. We'll see how it goes. The NASDAQ's rolling over quite aggressively right now. Pretty ugly. Pretty ugly. So, when there's fear and blood in the streets, we want to buy, but we want to buy intelligently, right? We don't want to buy like retail. Let's put it that way. We want to be looking to take advantage of this in here with a brain. We want to do it with a brain. So hopefully we can guide you guys alongside that. I always let you guys know what I'm doing. So we have lost this, uptrend, as you can see right now. And typically we're looking to come back and revisit the lows, okay? Sweep of the liquidity up top. Easy short this morning. Could have taken it, didn't take it. On to the next one. Short memory will serve us best, okay? Going into our short-term time frames here. Well, we can see we got multiple levels of liquidity down below at our lows in here. Every one of these lows, liquidity, 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 right? So lots of that to be taken, as we could see this morning, okay? And, we're ready for it. We're ready for it. Whatever it wants to give us, we'll look to take advantage of this price action. So I thank you guys for being here. I thank you for supporting the channel. We just hit 5,000 subscribers. I'm very grateful to every single one of you guys for being here, supporting the channel. Even on your holidays, you're getting up early to come trade. We're here Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. We have an amazing Discord, amazing group of people. I'm very grateful for all of you guys. So a lot of you guys still on holiday, right? So that's the thing. It's been very, very choppy price action, and it's hard to really participate. I've been stopped out a couple times in a couple trades, but you know what? At the end of the day, you manage your risk, you take the high probability setups, and we look to have an edge in the market. Nahith, good morning. BC Port Corp, good morning. Good to see you guys. Thank you everybody for being here. Let's just do full moon first, then 82K. Let's go. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. Would love to acknowledge you in the chat. Thank you so much for being here. Make sure you say good morning. Come on. I mean, I'm just here talking to a microphone, a camera, a ring light, and my trading setup. So I would appreciate you guys saying good morning. We also got a beautiful new family photo of me and my boy. Okay, we got that. We got the new Otter Bling for Christmas. We got Otter Bling right here. Otter Bling. Otter gang. What else do we got? Anything? I mean, as a dad, you don't get much. You get socks. We got socks from Billy. We got socks from my wife. Nothing better than a good pair of socks, right? Is that how? Is that what life has become? Socks and golf balls. That's it. Good to see you, Massey, Jesse. Good luck, Crypto Maker, Rashad. Good morning to you. How are you, Alex? I'm actually under the weather. I got a runny nose and a bit of a head cold. I don't feel too bad. I mean, we show up anyways. That's how we roll here. But yeah, I'm not like 100%. I would say I'm 80%, but I'm 100% ready to trade with you guys this morning. We'll see how it goes. See if we can find something here. Rolling over here. NASDAQ was the tell early. Okay, big tell on NASDAQ. It started to roll here around 7 a.m. And you can see that, Bitcoin didn't roll over until 7:30. Okay, look at that. Little insight here, right? So you want to use Confluence. You want to look at things that trade similarly just to give yourself a little bit of an edge. We could have easily shorted Bitcoin. Just understand that NASDAQ's rolling over. We are sweeping liquidity, probably an opportunity to get short. We didn't take the short, but we're aware of how to kind of navigate this thing. We got 202 people in here, 50 likes. God bless you guys. Thank you for smashing up those like buttons, hanging out with us. If you are new here, come over and hang out in the Discord. We'd love to have you. An amazing, amazing community over here. Long and short at FTM, both with success, as Alex O'Crypto would say, 600 a day keeps the away. Yes, absolutely. Done for the day. Have fun trading, guys. Risk limited. Good job, Exodus. See, an amazing community here. We got family chat. We got a whole bunch of traders in here. We have my TA. We have Altcoin TA with crypto signals, trading alerts, letting you know when I've entered, when I've exited, all those good things. Kyle's TA as well. Trade summaries. Brewberry's TA for traders. The sale is still on. $1 a day keeps the doctor away. Thesis, amazing trading. So 4 traders here really helping you on your trading journey. If you do want to join, come over and join. We do have a free section as well. We'd love to have you. Memberships right over here. Trade signals by all of us. 8 group coaching calls. Exclusive support channels. All that good stuff. And a community built on kindness. Right? No, you're not going to get all these namby-pambies talking a bunch of shit in here. No douche canoes is our rule. So if you want to join us, come over and hang out. We'd love to have you. Also, fear and greed is dropping quite dramatically. Now at 65. Is this a reset of the fear and greed index? We'll have to wait and find out. We also have a beautiful dad joke for you guys. A termite walks into a bar and asks, "Is the bartender here?" What? That went over my head. That went over my head. What? Two parrots are sitting on a perch. One turns to the other and asks, "Do you smell fish?" What? Sitting on a perch. Both of them over my head. Over my head. Completely. My God, maybe I do have a head cold and I should just not trade. Sibel says, dump it. Bog Sun Flare Class X and M hitting on the early direction today. Anyone north should have some great strong northern lights this evening. Okay, that's pretty cool. I like northern lights. Let's go. Look at this little bounce in here. Coming in. Sweeping the lows, okay? Sweeping these lows, sweeping these lows. So, hasn't come back for the bottom, but this is still a little bit of hopium in here. We'll see what we get. No trade, no trade. Trading is waiting, baby. So hopefully we find something for you guys and myself. I'm always hungry for a trade. We'll see what we get here. Losing VWAP. Okay, rolling over quite aggressively here. We'll see how that materializes going into market open here. Let's check the economic calendar. I haven't checked that this morning. Coming over in here, taking a gander. Always want to be prepared as possible. So nothing too significant Monday, Wednesday. Friday we have manufacturing, and that's about it. Okay? That's about it. Next week, though, January 7th, here we do have jobs and FOMC minutes. So some more important stuff, but not a hell of a lot this week. So it's pretty much free range of manipulation and up and down, sideways, wickety, knocking people out of positions. We'll see how that materializes into the coming days of this week. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Is there anything you guys are looking at? Good morning, Jake. Good to see you. Joan, monthly bear div on RSI. Yikes. That's a big time frame. Cameron, good morning. Good to see you as well. Good morning, RS Miller. Rashad, good morning. Pretty crazy. We got like 50 millimeters of rain yesterday. No snow. That would have been a wicked snowstorm, but we didn't get anything. Alex, should I better sell all my spot bags? I did not make any money on it. I am break even 40K. I think I better do only trading. I bought too many shit coins. John Van Den Abil. It's always important to reassess your strategy. You should have a plan. And for me, my plan was to buy and to hold until altcoin season emerges, okay? And you know what? A lot of my spot bags, I've sold a lot of Ethereum for tax purposes at $4,000, and I'm eternally grateful that I had a plan to sell, okay? Because we go over to Ethereum, right? And I was laddering out of my Ethereum positions on the way up. Okay, but I had this plan. I said, going into tax season, which is right here, January 1st, okay, I'm going to start selling. We had the beautiful pump out of here. I said, I'm going to start selling my ETH. I sold some here. I sold some here. And I sold the rest of it here. Okay, so I started to ladder out with my plan to sell. I said, if I get to 4,000, I'm out. Now, if I had not started selling, I'd be down here and selling everything. Being pissed off that I didn't sell anything up here. Being pissed off that I didn't sell anything up here. Okay? So for me, you have to have a plan. And it's always good to reevaluate your plan. Now, for me with altcoins, my plan is to sell either in March or in the later half of next year. Okay? That's my plan. When I see dominance rolling over, that's my plan. And I'm sticking to that plan. So if you want to trade, or if you just want to get out of your spot bags, if you feel like you're just going to lose money, maybe you're over risked. For me, my position, I'm 80% Bitcoin. I'm sitting nice. You know, but I bought my Bitcoin sub $25,000, okay? So I'm sitting nice because of that. My altcoins, they're break even too. And can they go down? Absolutely. That's fine. That's part of the ride. That's why we're in crypto. That's why we participate in this market, and we try to do our best to exit and pay ourselves. Right? But at the end of the day, you should always execute a plan. You should always have a buying plan and a selling plan. Execute the plan, reevaluate the plan, but always refer to your original plan, in my opinion. Nice roll over here. NASDAQ continues. Oh, it's trying to hold here. So NASDAQ's trying to hold here. We'll see how the S&P opens this morning. Sheesh, a lot of things taking a beating. Okay, not looking too pretty right now for the stock market, let alone Bitcoin. Okay, but you got to execute a plan. That's my only non-financial, as a friend to a friend, advice that I would give. You know, that's it. That's it. Keep it simple, stupid. However, you need to execute a plan, right? And you shouldn't deviate too much from your plan. Okay? Without a plan, you're kind of just gambling, right? I would say that, you know, up only is not for real. They're going to toy with your emotions. They're going to toy with what you think is going to happen. Look at this rollover. Perfect rollover here coming in. We'll see if we get a bounce off these lows this morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 92.9. I'm looking. Sweep of the lows, mitigation just below these. Okay, just below these. Right around 92.80. 92.800, let's call it. Let's see if we get a bounce out of 92.800. I'm looking lower, baby. I'm looking lower. Let's see. Wrecking all these bulls last night. Okay. We'll see if we get the sweep down below. Down. Now, I do have a key volume area here right around 92,600. I might look lower. Depends on price action this morning. Okay. We're seeing a very aggressive sell-off right now, which is fine. However, what goes down must come up, right? We'll see if we do get the bounce out of here, but this is pretty aggressive. For me, patience will prevail. Okay, rolling a little bit more. Let's go into our 12-minute. 12-minute. VWAP's coming up. Money's coming out. Sweep of the liquidity. Continue to roll over here. Coming for these lows right now as we speak. Coming for the liquidity in here. We'll see how that. So if we see a bounce out of here, an aggressive bounce out of here, sweep, bounce, we get long, okay? If we don't see an aggressive bounce out of here, we wait. Comprende? This is aggressive. This is very aggressive. So we can track momentum to the downside. This is something that we do use. The safer trade, okay? For all you safe traders out there. Because remember, we are on YouTube, and we're here for entertainment. This is never financial advice. I hope you guys don't just copy my trades, okay? The safer trade is to break a momentum and a higher low coming in, something like that. Is that necessarily going to happen? No. But some sort of bottoming structure in here before we go. Now, you guys know me. I'm not necessarily a wick catcher. John Wick's grandmother does reside at my house sometimes, where we do snatch one every now and then. However, it is only 8:40. Okay, it is only 8:40. Market has not opened yet. It's Monday, baby. We are looking for some sort of strengths within the S&P. I would like to see this pushback. Inverse head and shoulders here. Not even fake out to the low. See, there's no trade in that. it has to break through this low and then bounce. Otherwise, we can look for bottoming structure right here, right? Breaking the high, higher low, continuation out, okay? But it has to break this low first. It has to come through here. Make sense? I think that makes sense. You guys are smart. I'm just a construction worker who presses buy and sell very successfully every single morning with you guys. So if you are new here, subscribe. 250 people in here. Happy holidays. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. God bless you guys. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for supporting the channel. Very grateful to you guys. We're growing quite quickly. This is pretty cool. You know, we were at, 3,000 subscribers about a month ago. Yeah, we've gotten like over 700 in the last month. So I'm very grateful for all the new people here. And hopefully we can help you guys make a lot of money. That's what it's all about. Okay, here comes the sweep. Make sure you do say good morning. I expect good mornings from you. That's about it. You can hit the like if you want. You can subscribe if you want, but I do expect you guys to say good morning, man. I mean, you just show up to work and don't say hi to anyone. Are you one of those people? Are you like the Karen? The Karen of the crew? Very weak head and shoulders. I agree. R.S. Miller, thank you for being here. R.S. Miller's absolute gem. Shout out to you, man. Jake Falgan, good morning to you. Exo, good morning to you. John Van Den Abil, 2-year holdings. Okay, there you go. Right, so you're still. That means you got hodl power, bro. Are you're round tripping, or are you just looking? It's very, very different. Darren does things. Andrew Cameron, my fellow Canadian. What's going on, brother? Good to see you. Let me know if you are Canadian. Let me know in the chat. We'd love to say, hey, what's going on, bro? We say, hey, bud. We say bud a lot. We say a lot. We say a boot. We live in igloos. We ride moose with our pet grizzly bears. And our blood type is maple syrup. Good to see you guys. Payne, what's going on? 8788 fake out. Then the moon. Bang, bang, gang, gang. Let's go. Progress forward. Good to see you. I like your name, man. BBL. We're going to have an amazing year. We haven't hit New Year's yet, okay? But it's going to be an amazing. Should I make one of those New Year, New Me videos? Should we get a gym membership, everybody? We're going to get a gym membership. We're going to rebrand. We're going to start making motivational content. I think that's where we're at. Saying, hey, don't be a namby-pamby, you douche canoe. Get on that treadmill. What do you guys think? Good afternoon. Good morning. Alexandra G. Alexandra G. Tell me they gave you a vacation. My God, you're too busy. Mac the Man, good to see you. R.S. Miller. Mac the Man, some mornings I can read your name, and sometimes I'm like, Maximan. So today, I guess, is a good day. Mox, good evening. Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Maybe a Band-Aid. Good to see you. Yassine. Good morning, Alex and fellow traders. Yeah, it's good to be here, guys. Thank you for being here. I would like to see that sweep. No sweep yet. I'm strong like bull, says Crypto Failure. I love to you. Crypto CD, good morning to you, man. CK, good morning. Dragonfly D, good morning. Thank you for being here, guys. Good morning to you guys. Donato Cabrera, what's going on? What if I own land outside of Kenora, Ontario? Does that count? Absolutely. Absolutely. Kenora is beautiful. I mean, I think Ontario is beautiful, but I don't know. Something about those mountains out west, man. I think if we make a shit ton of money off of this bull run, I think I'm gonna go buy a little cabin in the mountains. That's gonna be the goal. Okay. Hey, bud. I'm Paluan now. What's going on, Massey? Spyros, good morning. All rocked up. Good to see you, man. Hopefully you're doing well. Ray gonna get you. Good morning. Good to see you as well. Deck, good morning, Alexandra G. She's saying good morning to Alexandra G. See, Alexandra G, you're taking the hype away from the stream. Fellow Canadian here. Good to see you, Cameron. Cameron McDougall. We have McDougalls in our family, Cameron. We could be somewhat related. Do you know an Alita? Let me know in the chat, Cameron. Mad love to you, bro. Anonymous, good morning. I would like to know what happens to nice people whose name is Karen. Do they have a support group? Yeah, like I actually know one Karen, and she is actually kind. So I mean, she's not a Karen, right? Oh man, imagine you named your kid Karen and that happens, or Chad. Don't be a Chad. Oh whoa, I was here last year when you had like 20 people. Chris Marsden, thank you, man. Thank you for being here, Chris. Yeah, I know it's been a crazy YouTube journey. Mac, the man. Let's go. It's been a crazy, I just wanted to hang out with like 1,000 people. That's always been my goal. It's like 1,000 true friends, true fans, 1,000 friends in the space, And there's a lot of people who are day oneers who've, stuck with me, who've supported me through the years. And quality people, right? Quality people that, you create the company. It's all about the company you keep, right? Like, I think I was talking about this on Twitter. There was someone who said, yeah, here it is. So on Twitter, if you do want to follow me on Twitter, it's AlexOCrypto with a 0. Okay. But, environment is everything, right? We say environment is everything. You people don't really know what a great thing you have here. Signed up to the other Discords, but seems always to come back to this family. Why? The atmosphere is great in the team, to include the mods. We'll post what happened in a Discord that costs 4 times what it costs here. Point is, cherish this place and this family, right? It's the community that you create, right? It's no douche canoes. I'm quick to kick, man. I'm quick to kick. We try to give people an opportunity to be kind, to not be a douche canoe. But if you're going to do it, you're going to get the boot. Because we're all here. Trading's hard enough. You don't need to deal with idiots, right? I don't need to babysit anyone. I just, we're all adults here. If you want to be an internet bully, you can be introduced to Nick Musgrave's Sniper's Nightmare or Mark Dutch's Big Clogs. He'll kick you out. Which is what it's all about, man. I think if you're coming into crypto, you want someone who's gonna, first of all, teach you how to manage this. This is the most important part of your trading right here. If you learn how to manage your risk, you can take a bunch of these and still make money. That is the key. Every day I come on here, right? A full position size is, I always look 300 to make 900, right? And I'm only risking 0.5% of my entire trading account. Okay? 0.5. Every trade. I have a large trading account, but that's what I'm looking to make every day. Right? So if I can come in here and execute and take a couple losses every now and then, but then I get, we get small losses, small wins, small losses, small wins, small losses, big wins. Our account goes like this, okay? That's what we want. Your account's never going to go like this unless you hit that home run trade every now and then, which just happens maybe once a month if you're lucky to hit that home run trade. And even then, you always take profit too early. We all know it, right? We all know it. Oh, man, if I had held that, I would have made $10,000. Yeah. Okay. Calm down there, pussycat. You didn't. So if this, then this, right? You're not going to always, it's important to pay yourself. It's important to trade a plan. It's important to have a community that helps you have an edge in the market where we can execute a trading strategy and practice good risk management in order to make profits, okay? That's what we're here to do. Otherwise, you're gambling. And that's totally up to you. It's your money. But, you're only doing a disservice to yourself. If you want to be great this year, if you want to smash some goals, make some money, save some money, manage yourself and provide for your family and all that stuff, you're going to have to be disciplined, right? Poor momentum. I do 1 3/4 push-ups 2 times a week. Keeps me in great shape. Round, Michael, round is a shape, man. That's all good. Thank you for being here, Michael. Still looking for the sweep in here. We haven't closed below this low here. Okay, I am looking lower. I am looking down in here around 92,600. 92,600, depending on market structure. If we get a bounce out of here, then okay. But this looks rolly. Okay, cascading, as I say. You know, you get a bounce off VWAP, you roll, and then you cascade, and then you bounce, and then you go. Okay. Here's a breakthrough. Sweep of that low just happened. As you can see, it took a little bit of volume coming down into the lows here. Still looking here. Still looking lower. 92.6. 92.6. Does it want to give it to us? That was good volume coming in. 92.6 coming down. Coming down. Coming down. Again. 92.6. 92.6. 92.6. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. Coming down. No bounce yet. 92.6. $92.6. Come on, bounce, baby. $92.6. No bounce yet. No bounce yet. Coming down, hitting it. Bounce. No. No bounce. Still waiting. 1 minute time frame. Still waiting. No bounce yet. No bounce yet. Big roll over here. NASDAQ still trying to bounce. Little bounce. Checking volume quickly. Holding. Holding. We got a key level of support as well down below here at 92,100. I would like to see a bounce out of here. If we come back up and close above this candle here, we could look for a potential long. Come on, Bitcoin. Push back. No pushback. Big sweep of the lows in here. Coming down for the lows over here as well. Stalling out at the lows. Trying to push back. Okay, push back. Off of the support. Can we engulf? 10 seconds for this candle. Push. Push. No push. Okay. No strength there. A little pushback. Not much though. No trade yet. We're still waiting here. Still waiting here. I need to see a pushback in here. Nothing yet. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Okay, here's a little bit of a push. Right, might fire off a long. Let's see. Nothing yet. Close above this candle, please. 10 seconds on this candle here. 10 seconds. Looking strong. Nice pushback here. Okay, let's fire it off. Gonna be late. Gonna be late. Wait for a little pullback. Waiting for pullback. Okay, let's get long here. Let's get long here. Let's see if we can push back. I'm in. We'll see if we do push back here. I like this sweep. We didn't come down to the very lows of this range. Okay. We didn't come down into here. That's the lows of that's the complete lows. But for me, this is nice enough sweep. We'll see if we do push back here. Coming up to VWAP. We'll see if we can target VWAP here. Push back, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. What's the NASDAQ saying? A little bit rolly. A little bit rolly. Come on. You got it, Bitcoin. A little bit of push here. A little bit of push. I want to see a revisit of the lows if we do come back up in here. So this would be VWAP. This would be the lows. Okay, we'll see if we do come up in here. Thank you everybody for being here. We'll see if we do get a pushback. We could be getting something like this where it does come back in and it pushes back. Could come back into these lows to retest and then go. Maybe a little bit jumpy here on the trade. Stop loss is actually, I'm in a quarter position at 92,200 here. So I am a little bit lower here. 210 here. I'm at 210. So I do have a quarter position in here at 210. We'll see if we do want to add to this. I say quarter, I meant half position. Sorry. Half a position. Okay, poor strength here. It has come back and not fully revisited the highs here, so it can still push. Basically a 1-for-1 trade. Could have waited a little bit longer, I think. We'll see what we get here. Maybe a bit early this morning. We'll see what we get. If we can push back here. Thank you everybody for being here. Good morning, Chicken. Good to see you. Anonymous, good morning to you. Karen is a state of mind, not a name. Let's go. It's so true. Good people create good vibes. Chris Marsden, thank you for being here. We do have some momentum trying to push back here, but money is coming out quite aggressively this morning. The NASDAQ, yeah, the NASDAQ continues to roll over here. We do have a key level of support here at 21,340. At 340. The NASDAQ's just ugly, man. Bitcoin's rolling over a little bit here. Let's see if this support does hold. We do have the critical lows of this range down below here. So could be hunting these the liquidity in the lows in here. Maybe a little bit rushed this morning. It's 8:58. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. If you are new here, we're Monday to Friday. We got 290 people in here Monday to Friday, 8 till 10 a.m. Trading Bitcoin, baby. That's it. Trading Bitcoin. Thank you, everybody, for smashing up those like buttons. We're almost at 100 likes. Thank you for doing that. And subscribers, my God. Crazy. 266, man. We keep growing. We're growers and showers. Oh, man. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the gang. I think we may have rushed this a little bit. We'll see if we can pop up here. Should have waited a little bit longer. Little bit longer. Kind of flattening out here on volume. Sometimes it does this only to pump. Okay, sometimes you're at a key level here of support. I think we were a little bit early on this. Waiting for this to push back. Okay, but sometimes you can stall out at a support level and then you'll pop. We'll see if we do get that pop. If we do start to roll over here, we could look to get out a little bit. Or we could just break even this trade. I think, like I said, the safer trade is to wait for the trend to change and then go. But you know, it's YouTube, baby. We got to trade. We got to trade. Otherwise, it's like this guy just comes on here and talks a lot of shit and doesn't do anything. Oh, man. Good to see you, Cameron. East Coast, let's go. Good people create good vibes. Retro, Mike Tag, what's going on, RMT? Hopefully you're having a wonderful holidays, not working too hard. Alexandra G, Anonymous, good to see you as well. RS Miller, what's going on? Donato Cabrera, what's going on? Gang, Dragonfly, good to see you. If up, which price is TP? If up. We're looking to revisit the lows in here, but it does look like we are rolling over currently. So we'll see. We're looking to come up to VWAP around 93.5. We'll see if we do bounce out of here. Right now, not looking too good. NASDAQ continuing to roll over. We might want to get at a dodge here. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, not looking too good on the NASDAQ. Everything kind of dying right now. So let's see if it does pop up here. You know, you get out at break even and then it goes up, right? You get out at break even, then it rips to the upside. That's typically how it goes. We'll see if we do get a pop up here. Might get out a little bit early. Revisiting the lows in here. We'll see. Holding the lows here. Holding the lows, pushing back. Like I said, this was a bit rushed. We could exit break even right now, but who wants to exit break even? Come on. Who wants to put a 1 in the chat if we should just take this off? Let me know if I should close this trade. You guys let me know in the chat. Should I close the trade? Put a 1 in the chat if I should close the trade. Make or break right now. Make or break. Can we continue to push? Should we close it? Let me know. Glad to be here, Dragonfly. 23. I'm up 10 points now. Let's go, chicken. Buck, 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 buck. Let it roll. The Mac man. Mac the man. Let's go. Let's go. What do you guys think? Close the trade. Keep it open. Re-enter. I want to know. You guys are the experts here. I'm just a carpenter. I used to build high-rise, industrial. Close says Luna Moon. I always think it's anonymous. Me too, Tony. I always get upset about that. Anonymous, we used to have a fellow trader that we traded with for years named Anonymous. He had some really good jokes, and he has since left us. All right, we are pumping here. We're pushing. Push, Bitcoin. Push back, baby. Come on. Push back. Come on, Bitcoin. Show me what you're working with. Let's go. Oh, man, I want to close this. I feel like I should close this to be responsible. You know, there's a responsibility here. Uh-oh. See? Here comes the volatility. Where did the volume just come from? Holy smokes. They continue to push price down against us here. The NASDAQ continues to roll over. Will we get a bounce? Bitcoin trying to push up. Trying to push up. Yeesh. Will it continue? That is the question. 280 people in here, 103 likes. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. We're out here on the 1 minute looking for this thing to push Bitcoin. Come on, man. Get going. Get going, man. You got it. You got a little double bottom in here. Cheeky, pushing lemon squeeze. You got volume coming in, trying to fight here. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. We got to come up here. Take this order block. Come on, baby. A little relief. All these shorts in here. You want to wreck them. Come on. I know you do, market maker. Failure to make a higher high just now. Okay. Failure to make a higher high. It's not looking too good for Bitcoin here. Not looking too good. 285, man. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Like, subscribe, share. Close to re-enter. I'm holding it. I'm holding it for you guys. Okay? I'm holding it for you guys right now. Let's go. Billy's in the chat, man. Thank you for being here, Crypto Billy. Hopefully you're having a wonderful, wonderful holidays with your family. Dave Digital in the chat. Thank you for being here as well. Hoping for some bottoming structure here. The bottoming keeps bottoming. Okay? However, we are at a key area. We have mitigated some lows. Okay, there's some strength in the move here. Big rollover. What goes down must come up eventually. We're coming down to key support areas here. We do have a very, very, I would say barrier to lower prices is 92,000 down here. Okay. I would like to see this now this could ramp back right up, right? We got bull divs coming in here, I'm sure. But 15 minute. Yeah, so we got okay. 1 hour. Bull div, 1 hour bull div, right? Into our buy level in here. This could be an explosive bottom, right? This could turn into a big swing trade. It could very easily, right? You got nice bottoming structure in here. You got bullish divergence on your 1 hour. Bullish divergence typically plays out back to where it started from, which would be in here, right? So you get your bull div. You typically return back to where you started, right? Could be that big trade. Could be that one that gets away, right? It depends on your trading strategy, on how you manage your trading, right? You could take a swing trade from here, right? Or you're looking to take that trade much differently, right? It depends on your risk management, on how you're trading it. Right now, we're in it. We'll see if it does want to push out from this key level of support. Right now, continuation. Can we push above this high? I need to see this high taken, please. Please take this high. No follow through so far. No follow through so far. Quite ugly. To me, this is a bear flag trying to roll over. Bear flag trying to roll over. This looks like continuation down. NASDAQ. Little bounce. Not much though. Not much though. Stalling out. It's 9:07. We'll see how we do with the open this morning. What do you guys think for the S&P? The ES here is rolling over. So I guess the S&P probably will gap down just on the judgment of the ES. So we'll see. Maybe it gaps down and then pushes back up to fill the gap, right? I like a trade like that. It's a good battle here at this support level. Pushing up here. Can we take this high? I would like to see the high broken here. Nothing yet. No siree Bob. Nothing yet. Very, very choppy. Definitely rushed this trade in hindsight, right? Whenever we reflect on our trades, which we should be reflecting on every single one of our trades that we take throughout the day, how we can be better. You will never be perfect. You will never, ever take profits at the maximum peak. You will never enter at the absolute bottom. You will never take profits along the way properly. You will never, right? You won't. Trading is not about being perfect. It's about managing your risk, protecting yourself before you wreck yourself, right? It's not meant to be easy. We're pretty much break even right now. Will we get a pop back up? We'll see. If we do break this momentum here, if we break up in here, break up, continuation trades very much on the table. If we do that, however, this does look like that. That's what it looks like, in my opinion. I'm in it, though. I'm in it to win it, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Bottoming structure at a key level of support, buy level, mitigation of the lows, trying to push back up, retest the lows. We'll see if we get it. See if we get it. Push Bitcoin. We still haven't taken this high. Quite pathetic price action here. Still haven't even taken that high. What do you guys think? Should we close it? Put a 1 in the chat if you think we should close it. Shapes. Yeah, shapes. Retarded shapes. We can dream, can't we? Absolutely. Good morning, Flabbergast. Good to see you. Rashad, good morning. Dave Digital. Push Bitcoin. That's it, man. Push Bitcoin. Let's go. Come on, man. What are you waiting for? Don't be a friggin' namby-pamby. Look at NASDAQ's pushing, baby. NASDAQ's pushing. Come on, NASDAQ. Keep going. Get that pump emoji. Get the pump emoji out, man. You guys are all smoking the hopium. I'm smoking the hopium with you here, okay? We're all here on a Monday, December 30th, with the hopium that this thing does push back here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Make sure to like and subscribe. We're having some fun every day. At least we're having fun. Okay, at least we're having fun trying to trade these markets. What I would think what could happen here. Okay, we got money coming back in. We got a little trigger wave in here. Now, remember, this is 1 minute time frame, okay? If we sweep and then bounce, that would be bullish, okay? If we sweep and then bounce. But they're trapping shorts here. People are wanting to short this further, which I don't blame them. Or we are stalling out and we are going to pump it. Oh, yeah, let's go, Bitcoin, pump it. Arnold says go. Arnold says go. Can we take the high, right? Right now it's trying. Trying to get above here. We got a very bullish candle here, engulfing, pushing up. Okay. What's the 12-minute saying? Push it, Bitcoin. Look at this. Oh, my God. That's disgusting. Push it, Bitcoin. Push it. Come on. We got 18 minutes till market opens. 18 minutes. Can we get the push that we so desire? Oh, wee. Push it, Bitcoin. Push it into the low. Oh, man. This is painful. Push it. Thank you guys for being here with me. I like the bullish candle, but look, it still can't take that high. Like, pretty pathetic. NASDAQ trying. Bitcoin trying. Good support level. At least we have a good support. Like, look at these volume support levels. I mean, I mark them out for the Discord every morning. This looks like it's rolling over, man. This doesn't look good. Overextended here. 3 minute. Trying to push back in. Nice clipping. Bull divs pushing up here. So 3 minute looks good. VWAP. 93.5. Big rollover. 5 minute. 5 minute looks decent too. 8-minute anchor wave. Okay, clipping, 8-minute. Trying to push. I like the 3-minute. 3-minute looks good. Can it continue? Can we come up? I'd be happy with a couple $100 today, to be honest. We do push up into here, 93.2. 93.2. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 295 people in here. 115 likes. You guys are incredible, man. Thank you. Thank you for supporting the channel. I do appreciate you. I do appreciate you. You guys are cool. You guys are the reason why I do this. I mean, it's lonely trading by yourself, isn't it? Like you're just there trading, trying not to beat yourself up. You know? It is a lonely occupation. Look at the pushback, baby. Let's go. Let's go, Bitcoin. Coming up, retesting those lows. Dang it. Running away. Oh, no. Back to the 1 minute. Getting away from us. Breakout, retest, continuation. Breakout, retest, continuation. Can it continue? Retesting those lows. Retesting those lows. I don't know if I like this. Come on, Bitcoin. All right, I'm going to take half off there. I'm going to take half off. I'm going to put stop loss to entry. Actually, I'll put stop loss just below that low there. Okay. You know what? We want to start Monday off with a little bit of a bang. Okay. Realized 130 right now. Half out. Like I said, $100,000 on the trade. Half out right now. Oops, wrong button. We'll see how we go. Quick $100, $120. Still in it. Still got 50,000 down on the trade. We'll see if we push up from here. Okay. Thank you, everybody, for being here. See if we can continue. Nothing wrong with $130 US, baby. Let's go. That's like $2,000 Canadian. Oh, shit. GG's. 300 people in here. We in the long. Stop loss has been adjusted, okay? We have put the stop loss into here. This is pretty much a risk-free trade now. We'll see if we do. Pump it. VWAP is the target for now. Just below VWAP, though, we would like to see this rip, right? We would like to see this rip. However, we'll see what we get. Stop loss just below here. Stop loss, yeah. Stop loss is break even. We could get a sweep down below. I might just guarantee the win, eh? What do you guys think? Close it. We've waited this long. You know what? I'm going to close it. Yeah, I'm going to close it. I'm out. Take 170 for the day so far. I'll look to re-enter now. I'm out. I've just closed it. Thank you. I'm out. I don't like the wicks up here. So revisiting previous highs, okay, or lows. I do not like that. I'm out. Okay, so I do not like this. We got long. We took a quick 100 and whatever. What is it? $150 out of the market so far. Keep chopping at the bit. Okay, we'll see. I do not like these highs up in here. You see that? That's the previous low, right? So we've bottomed at support. We've broken down. we've mitigated the low. We've revisited the previous low. And now, in my opinion, this looks like we could possibly come lower and then bounce. We'll see. This could be a breakout retest continuation. I hate these wicks up here. That's why I'm closing it. Okay, I'm closed and I'm happy. I've made some money. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. On to the next one, right? On to the next one. We do have a low in here that I'm interested in, 92,200. This is the actual low of the range right here. We could get follow through here. NASDAQ trying to push up, revisiting the same thing here. So you revisit halfway up the candle, you continue downwards. That's price action in my opinion. The vector candle gets recovered halfway up and then you get down. That was my Tino impression. Now, not to say this can't rip. This can definitely rip. It's just not for me. It's not for me. It's not within my... I love that we've held support here. That's a good sign. We got bull divs at a key level with clipping. Okay, bull divs on market cipher. Volume dying out here. S&P opens in 10 minutes. We'll see how that goes. NASDAQ doesn't look good. Okay, so we wait. Trading is waiting. Breakdown, retest, continuation up to VWAP. Very possible that we come up in here. Probably a bad... Nice push here. Nice push here. Should have stayed in it, right? We'll see what happens. I didn't like those wicks, though, right? And if you don't like something and you don't think it's going to work, don't trade it. Don't trade it. Take your money. On to the next one. On to the next one. How you guys doing? You guys still in the trade? Let me know. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. You guys are incredible. God bless you guys. What's going on? Nice. 92.2. Nice. New York opens in 10 minutes. 10 minutes market opens. That's the thing, right? The volatility will come in. We wait. Dangerous trading under the VWAP. Yeah, because when we lose VWAP, it does suggest a downtrend, right? Still in? Okay. I'm out. So, and I mean, this could still go, right? Breakout, retest, continuation, still on the table. However, getting overextended, right, on your short-term time frames. When you start to get up here, right, up in this region, you're typically looking for it to come back down, right? So your oscillator is suggesting you're a little bit overextended. For me, it would be better if we wait for a trigger wave in here, okay, and then we push. That's going to take some time. That's going to take us till about 9:40, right, around there. The timing is everything. If we get a bull div in here, whoo, buddy, we're going to the moon. Okay, nice little rollover, quick scalp, easy money. We'll see what else we can find today. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 295 people in here. Thank you guys for subscribing, coming over every morning. I would really appreciate if you guys do subscribe to the channel, like it, all that good stuff. And if you are new and you want to come over and hang out, you guys are smoking. You guys are smoking like Sniper's Nightmare. All right? You guys are all killing it. Thank you, everybody, for being part of our amazing community. We do have a free section in here, and we also have a paid section, which is $1 a day to keep the doctor away, with 4 traders helping you guys get profitable. If you do want to come over and hang out in our Discord, we'd love to have you. The Otter Gang, the family, an amazing group of people. An amazing group of people. I mean, just go and read the testimonials. People are just crushing it in here, and it's only, $30 a month. If you can't make $30 a month off of our signals, our help, our teaching, we have probably failed you. Okay? We have probably failed you. So hopefully we can help you guys on your trading journeys. Okay? And make some money together. We'll see what we get here. If we do get a bounce, altcoins getting absolutely decimated this morning. Okay? I was looking for an Ondo trade. I'm almost knocked out of that trade this morning. We'll see if it does want to pop up from here. We're getting... Yeah, it's pretty ugly here on Ondo. Looking at Sui as well. Sui's pretty much in the red as well right now. So Trading is waiting. We'll see if we do get a pop up here on the altcoins. Taking an absolute beating in this market. Yes, Sui's pretty overextended here to the downside. Was able to take a little bit of profit last night on Sui before bed. Breaking down, double bottoms. Can this be the spring that we want to see? Out and up, right? Out and up. Some hopium, but we don't want to just be, like I always say, you don't want to just trade your hodl bags. You want to take advantage of what the market's going to give you. We got 5 minutes until market opens. Thank you everybody for subscribing, liking the video. 280 viewers in here. Incredible. A great group of people. If you are new here, make sure you say good morning. Okay, here's a little push again. Push again. I don't like this price action right now. This is pretty ugly. Right? Very choppy, right? We know that, in anticipation for Donald Trump's inauguration and stuff like that, I would like to see this taken here. And then we go. Okay? We do have a key low down here, 92,200. This could be a retest back into VWAP where we could look to potentially get short. Okay? Just wait in here. Dragonfly, what's going on? Wix Wife 589. Good morning to you. Thank you for being here. Dangerous trading under the VWAP. Crypto Maker, can you check Portal? Is that an altcoin? New York Open, just a sub, 10-minute market open. Yeah, let's wait. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas. A wonderful Christmas with the family. Alan Koala says, told ya. It will dump more. Awesome. Push, motherfucker, push. Let's go. Never beat yourself up, Alex O'Crypto. That's what friends are for. Absolutely. To the upside. Let's go. Start chanting. Alex, wait, market open. Yeah. We're waiting. We've already paid ourselves. We made $150 this morning. Let's see what else we can get. It's so far so good. In hindsight, when we're looking at this trade, right, we came down to key levels of support. Right? We got long right here, which was a little bit rushed, okay? We could have waited for any sort of bottoming in here. We didn't. Maybe a little bit too over ambitious, I guess you'd say, right? So, take profit. We could have gotten long a lot better of an entry than right here. Yeah. Could have stayed in this higher lows coming in here. Continuation to the upside. Overextended VWAP as well. So you're at your, for me, it's your maximum standard deviation. Okay. So when you're maximum overextended to the downside, you can look for this to return to VWAP in general. Okay. That's another reason why I use the standard deviation bands on VWAP, because it does give you, it's almost like a Bollinger Band, where whenever you get outside of your standard deviation 2.5, you can look to trade that back up to VWAP, right? Because VWAP's a magnet. Little pushback here. We got a minute and a half till market opens. Thank you everybody for being here. NASDAQ curling down, but trying to push back. We'll see how the S&P opens this morning. Thank you everybody for smashing those likes, subscribing if you're new, hanging out with the Otter gang. You guys are incredible. Fly away, says RS Miller. I sniped 92, 592. Let's go. Nice snipe, man. Alexo spitting that deep VWAP knowledge. Thank you, man. Thank you. I try my best, man. The VWAP makes me a lot of money. VWAP would be my wife if it wasn't for my wife, you know? I mean, you look at this, okay? You zoom out. Look, standard deviation 2. Look at that, overextended. What does it do? Return to VWAP. Very simple, right? Standard deviation could return to VWAP, okay? Support, continuation, rejection, break a structure, continuation down, VWAP, tried to hold, lost to VWAP, retest, loss, rollover, okay? Look at this thing, man. You're going to make me jealous now. You're going to make me jealous, everybody who's still in that long. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Congratulations on your gains. We're coming into a bunch of order blocks, as we can see. Okay, here. We're going to zoom out a little bit. We turn our market dynamics. You can see that there is some order blocks within here. We are coming for this one here. Nice push here for Bitcoin. Market is open. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the gang. Big gap down like we expected here on the S&P. Gapping down. So we'll see. Does the S&P roll and then bounce, or will it come back up and fill the gap? We'll have to wait and find out. NASDAQ here trying to have some bottoming structure, as we can see. Bitcoin bouncing off that support level, mitigating the one low, coming back, retesting this low in here. The key low for me on Bitcoin is down in here, 92.2. Okay, that's partially why I closed it on their little retracement here. If we are looking for strength on Bitcoin, I'm looking for a swing failure pattern at these lows in here, bullish divergence. We'll see if we get it. However, right now this does not look good. We're rolling over, engulfing here on Bitcoin. So yes, we would have loved to be long here, but on the other hand, it is always important to protect your downside. We always want to mitigate risk, okay? For me, like I said, overextended on these as well. You can see coming into this high order block in here, order block above us here, VWAP above us here. Okay, so for me, this is a retracement so far and a lower high. All right, until we start really taking this high up here at 93,400, it's still another lower high. Okay, so this means continuation of a downtrend. We'll see if we do bounce out of here. We do have that key support level at 92,580. Okay, we'll see if we do come back down into here. But like I said, I would much rather see this, right? So we'll see how it goes. A little bit of a rollover here. This is pretty nasty. NASDAQ not looking strong. S&P continues to roll over. Not looking good at all. Okay, you've got a key level of support here on the S&P around 55,850. Okay, Bitcoin rolling over, engulfing candle on the 3-minute. Nasty. Okay, nasty. Okay, we wait again. Little fib retracement level in here. I'm sure if we go into the weeds and we pick apart our, low to high, our low to high here, we got a little golden pocket down in here we could bounce off of. But for me, this shows me weakness, right? We have lost the low. We have lost the low. We are rolling over now. Okay, trend has changed. We're looking for that. That's what we're looking for. Patience. Anybody take the short off of the standard deviation? Look at that. The 1-to-1. Nice little resistance there. Trying to push here. That's the golden pocket area we just identified. I'm looking for this low. This low here, 92.2. That would be a nice mitigation of all the lows within this range. If we're zooming out, we always got to be aware of where our lows are in the range, okay? If we're looking at this constructively, well, that's going to be right down in here, right? These lows in here. This is the low down there, and that's where we should be targeting for a potential bounce, okay? It wants to take these before going here. That's my opinion. Going back into our 15-minute. Okay, look at the rollover. Reckon those bulls, right? Very good close. Got to be happy with closing that win. Got to be happy with that. That is good risk management. That is good profit taking. Okay, so that's a check mark this morning. Yes, we could have held longer. However, that is a good risk management trade this morning. Now we see what happens here, right? If this, then this. If this, then this, right? So now we wait. Volume coming in. Rollover continuing. S&P continuing to roll over. NASDAQ rolling over. Look for this to retest the bottom. Going right through that support level. Okay. Aggressive sell-off here. We're looking down here at 92.2. We'll see if we get it. Now, if we're going to come to 92.2, we should be looking lower, right? We should be looking at 90-100, where I have a key level as well. Okay. Now, this could be the swing failure pattern, but I'm only getting long off of this if we bounce and if we get a higher low. Otherwise, no trade. Okay, got trigger wave coming in here on our 1 minute. Big rollover here. Sweep. Nice sweep, baby. Let's go. That's a nice sweep. Chicken's drinking water. 92, 180. Okay, big rollover here. Great close, everybody. I love this volume. No trade yet. No trade yet. Big rollover here. What a rejection here. Wow. Big dump here on Bitcoin. Coming through. Bounce out of here. Key level. Key level here. I ain't getting into this thing, man. Great close now, guys. Great close. Hopefully you guys close that as well. We have a key level down below here. We're trying to hold this level as we speak. 92. 92.2. Let's see if we bounce out of here. Can we bounce? Potential long. That was a beautiful sweep here. Coming for those lows. Coming for those lows like we talked about, right? Bounce out of here. No bounce yet. This is looking good for a bounce. Did anybody take the long? I'm not in the long yet. I may take a long here. I want to see strength though. Coming down lower. Coming down lower. Retesting. Retesting that support level. Big dump here for Bitcoin. Look at that rollover. Aggressive. Aggressive, aggressive, aggressive. Our next level, 91,400. 91,400. Will it come there? Shout out to you guys. Thank you guys for being here. Is anybody in this short? We're looking for this to hold this key area here. This key area looks like it wants to be lost. We have mitigated that low. Okay, we have taken the lows from the previous range, and we are continuing down, 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 down. December's looking nasty, man. Looking nasty. Sheesh. Losing 92,000. Bitcoin taking a little bit of a dump, man. Can it hold this level? Getting deviated way low here. If we see a bounce up here, it could potentially be long. Don't want to be jumping the gun on anything like this, okay? 30-second time frame. Whew, we on a 30-second time frame. Very critical level of support here. Will the bulls fight back? That is the question. Will the bulls fight back? Thank you, everybody, for being here. Big old Dumparelli. Get short. A lot of you guys got short. All right. Giga short up 3K today. Let's go. Trader Geo. Mad love to you, bro. Came for that liquidity. I bet you got short off that liquidity. Sheesh. Let's go, brother. Happy birthday, man. Look at the bounce. Trying to come in here. No bounce. No bueno. No bounce. That ugly, ugly price action here. Look at that sweep of the lows coming into a key level of support. Whew. Sheesh. The nice bounce out of this area. Oh, man. Oh, man. Let's see. Let's see what we can get here. Shout out to the chat. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 82 incoming. Wee. Good morning, Alex and the gang. Trader Geo in the chat. Go check out Trader Geo. Subscribe to Trader Geo. It is his birthday yesterday. Make sure you guys are over there supporting Mr. Geo. Mickey, these are spikes, man. Good morning, by the way. Thank you for being here, Mickey. Good morning to you, man. I'm in the short, says El Gallo. Awesome, brother. Good to see you, man. Good morning, Alex and the Otter gang. Another snipe, 92-1. Let's go. What's up, Big Al? I'm not that big, man. I'll be little Al. I'm little Al. Board PC guy. What's going on, man? Good to see you as well. Look at this nastiness, man. Nasty. McNasty. What do we got in the S&P? Whew. Rolling over, man. NASDAQ trying to bounce back. Potential long here. Can we get that V-shaped recovery off of the critical key levels? I'm waiting. Trading is waiting. No long yet. Big old dump here coming in, wrecking a lot of bulls. People getting long this morning. We got out of our long. Very good risk management, everybody. Great work. Nice bounce here. We're getting a nice bounce. I can't sing or say singing happy birthday, Gio. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gio. Happy birthday to you. Retested the lows right now. Wow. Shout out to those who got long. Nice V-shaped recovery here. No trade for me. No trade for me. 941. We got a whole whack of you in here. 320 people. Thank you guys for being here. We're here live 8 till 10 every morning. We've already had a successful long. Now we're just waiting to see what will happen with all of this goodie within here. We'll see if we do get a retest back in. Potential longing opportunity if it presents itself. However, banging its head, revisiting those previous lows, okay? Not bullish yet. Not bullish at all. The big old rollover. Don't want to be fading the trend. We want to be potentially participating in the uptrend here if we do get one. Looking for that market structure shift within this, okay? We were looking for, look at that rollover. Coming back, sweeping that liquidity this morning. Nasty bounce off of here, coming up. Okay, 0.5%, nothing too big. We can look for some follow through here, but we don't want to be getting long after a big old wreckage, okay? Big old wreckage coming down into here. Our key level being around 90,700. We'll see if we do come down into there. Right now, no trade. Okay, big rollover here. Rollover for the S&P, still coming down. NASDAQ trying to bounce, no bounce as of yet. Okay, not looking good for any of these assets. All rolling over, coming down, wrecking a lot of people, okay? So we'll see how that goes. No trade right now, just waiting. We got a nice little bull div coming in here off of our 3-minute and our 5-minute. Okay, trying to push back. We'll see if we get that pushback. Right now, big volume coming in, pushing down, mitigating all these lows literally in here. Okay, grabbing all these lows in here. We'll see if we do get a continuation back up. You know, this does seem very overextended now. If we're looking at this as a downtrend, we can typically just next low, right? Next low, Next low. We'll see if we do get that bounce out of here. I got knocked out of my SUI trade. Ooh-wee. Looking to re-enter on SUI as well. SUI to the absolute floor. We'll see if we do bounce out of here. Maybe we can take another long on SUI. SUI does have a very bullish narrative. However, if Bitcoin's going to dump, you know SUI's going to dump. Sea of red here. Ondo holding up surprisingly. The Ondo trade we were looking at this morning still holding up. Holding on for dear life. We'll see if it does want to hold here. Bitcoin flirting with 90,000. My God. 311 people in here. 145 likes. Make sure to like and subscribe if you are new here. Would love for you to join us in the amazing Discord. Amazing Discord. Full of like-minded traders. Absolute legends here helping you guys navigate the crazy, crazy Bitcoin market. Looking for a long. We'll see if we get it there. Thesis, family chat, live streams, an amazing group. Come over and hang out with us. Even come into the free section and talk a bunch of smack. Be like, Alex, you suck. Let's see if we got a dad joke for you guys. It better be good this time. I used to work for a soft drink can crusher. It was so depressing. It was so depressing. Sheesh. Nice bull div here, pushing back up. No follow through. No follow through. We wait. We wait. NASDAQ looks like crap. S&P still hasn't bottomed yet. Okay? No bottoming here on S&P. Continuation to the downside. Same with the ES. NASDAQ, same. A bit of the samesies. Okay? We have a new downtrend here. No trade for me yet. We've only taken a long this morning. We longed in here. Took a little quick scalp. And we'll see if we can continue to push in here. Not looking too good for the market. The dollar just continues to rip. Continues. No stopping this thing. My God. Incredible. Bitcoin dominance is pretty much break even right now. Looking for a breakdown on the dominance. Nothing happening there either. Continuing to roll over here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. If you're new, I think we're at 5,270. That's incredible. Thank you. Thank you for subscribing. And thank you for being part of the gang. Make sure you say good morning. Big old rollover here for Bitcoin. Okay? Liquidity grab this morning and then boom, all the way down. Sheesh. Coming down lower. Coming down lower. All right. Now we're looking for a double bottom in here. We'll see if we get it. Double bottom. Potential long. Higher low. Bull div. Higher low. Bull div. I'm looking for double bottom at this key level of support. We'll see if we get it. Big old nasty rollover. Still waiting. NASDAQ bouncing a little bit here. Can we get a bounce out of Bitcoin? S&P still rolling over. NASDAQ trying to hold. Key level. NASDAQ pushing back quite aggressively. Potentially get long here. Looking to potentially get long here on Bitcoin. Can be pretty cheap here if we do get filled. Looking to get in here. It's a nice little cheap trade, in my opinion. We fire it off. Pushing here. Fire off along here. We'll see what we get. Looking for a bounce. We'll see if we get a bounce. See if we get a bounce here. Pretty cheap. Very aggressive downtrend here. We'll see if we bounce out of here. Looking for a higher low continuation here. Momentum to the upside. We'll see. See what we get. Looking for this support level to hold. Pretty cheap though. That's the thing here. Half a position size here. We'll see if we bounce. Come on, Bitcoin. Push, baby. Pushing up here. All right. It's trying to go. It's trying. NASDAQ trying as well. S&P trying as well. We got confluence at a key level. Higher low. Continuation. Can we continue? Do you not want to go Bitcoin? Let's go and push Bitcoin. Come on, man. Don't be a namby-pamby. Push, 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 push. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Looking for a continuation here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. One successful trade so far. We'll see if we can continue to make some money. Continue to make some money. Little push here. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Push. Rolling over still. You're still going to be that douche canoe, aren't you, Bitcoin? Still going to be the douche canoe. NASDAQ. No, not looking good again. All right. Mixed feelings here. Bitcoin doesn't want to make up its mind. Okay, we could be looking for the double bottom in here. No bounce, eh? No bounce. Jeez. Red dot. That is some tricky shit here. Green dot, red dot. That is some bullshit. Money coming in. That's some bullshit. Green money flow. Come on, do your thing. Don't you be flashing no red dot on me. See, look, now it faked us out. Now it's green again. We're playing some green dot, red dot shit. Now it's red again. Green dot, red dot, baby. It's our favorite game. Continuation here. Bottoming out here. Trying to push up here. Maybe it's because the 1 minute time frame is evil. The 3 minutes where it's at, man. The 3 minute is where it's at. How we all doing this morning? Thank you guys for being here. Tricky shit is a technical term for advanced traders. That's the one. You know it, Dave. You know it, buddy. You guys watched the new Squid Game? You guys watch it? NASDAQ rollover. Nasty. Nasty. Nasty on the NASDAQ. Sheesh. Nasty on the NASDAQ. Looking for a double bottom now on Bitcoin. I don't know. Yeah, coming down on Bitcoin. I'd like to see this support level hold. This is a critical support. We'll see if we do hold here. S&P bottoming structure, NASDAQ, ugly. Band-Aid watches the local news 4 times a day. Let's go. Airdropper, green dot, red dot. Don't watch trading, watch TV really. Squid Game. Isn't there a new Squid Game? I don't watch TV really, so. Bitcoin, baby. Let's go. VWAP says 91K next. All right. That would be cool. I mean, I'll probably buy some Bitcoin if it comes down to 91,000. Anything sub 90,000, I think is a pretty good buy for Bitcoin. Get like a 50% return this year. I think that'd be all right. Double bottom coming in here now. We'll see if we get it. Fighting at the support level. When it stalls at a support level, it's typically going to roll over. Typically. I ain't here to bullshit you guys. This isn't looking good. A little cheap trade, though. We'll see if it does push up here. 9:55. Everybody arriving alive. Thank you guys for being here. Incredible. 300 people in the stream. Crushing it. Crushing it. Pretty fun day, I must say. I mean, I'm a little bit under the weather, but I'll always show up for you guys. You guys know that. Minimum, I'm here to try my best to trade. Traders, helping traders, full-time traders since August of last year. So must be doing something right. Must be doing something right. Okay, double bottom coming in here. We got a little bit of breathing room here on our stop loss to see if the double bottom plays out. Back up. Okay, a little bit of breathing room, not much. Yeah, failure to get above here. Looking quite ugly. Yep. Bounce. No bounce or bounce. I'm still in it. It did not hit my stop loss. I'm still in it. That's a bigger wick than what's on my exchange. The bigger wick than what's on my exchange. MexC coming through. MexC coming through. We'll see. MexC coming through. Wow. Okay. MexC coming through. We'll see if it bounces. I mean, I can't. I didn't do it. I guess Bybit's out of the trade. Bybit's out of the trade. Man, these exchanges, sometimes I tell you, these exchanges, no comment. Sometimes they are absolute dog trash. Absolute dog trash. Liquidated? Hopefully you're not liquidated, Mickey. I hope not. That's some scammy shit, man. This is nice liquidity sweep. This could bounce, but phew. I mean, this is where I would have liked to wait to enter. But we're in it. We're in it. We'll see if we do come up. If not, it's probably going to come back and wreck us. 91,950. Rolling over. Nasty price action. All right. Is it going to come down for us? Okay, there we go. Stopped out. Jeez. That's nasty, man. That's nasty. Only a quarter position, little loss there. That's okay. Guess we'll have to end on a low note. Jeez, nasty today. Nasty today. Very, very aggressive. Aggressive dump. My God. Look at this today. I mean, coming down, wrecking all the bulls, man. All the bulls. A nasty day today. It is still the holidays, in my opinion. So we'll see where Bitcoin gets to today, but this does not look good. Our next stop is right around 90,000. Sheesh. We'll see if we get there. Wild, wild. Should have shorted, right? Shoulda, coulda, woulda. And we didn't. And that's okay. And that's okay. At the end of the day, we protected our risk. And we're here. We're here every morning, Monday to Friday. That's nasty. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your trading day. I will see the members in the Discord shortly. And hopefully we can help you guys navigate these nasty, nasty price action charts. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Mad love. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer gang with an auto flame with a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer gang with an auto flame with a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On it come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pair full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On it come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on it come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On it come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pair full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On it come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on it come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On it come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolio.